Second star to the right and straight on till morning. That's how you find Neverland in Peter Pan. Stars always create this mystical feeling and give us space for dreaming. That's why they are also a really nice objective to have in paintings. I'm going to show you an easy way how to do that. So I'm going to show it to you on a painting I already did in 2020. That's quite a long time ago, but it still works the same. So in this painting I used oils, which are really nice to blend. I painted the dark background first and let it dry completely before I added the stars. So basically you just need 3 shades of one color with a lot of white. Make sure it's not just grey, don't mix black and white together, because in nature we always have colors around. Light is never just white and grey. I used a bluish color mixed with a little green in it, so I had this light blue, which is my darkest tone here, then an even lighter blue with a bit of more greenish touch, so that it goes well together with the colors of the flower. For the brightest color, I almost use a plain white, but not completely. It's really nice if you mix a little bit of color in it so that you almost can't see it, but this just gives the right touch of it since light is never really white. So here I actually used a little bit of yellow to create a bigger contrast against the greenish, bluish tone of the colors beneath, so that it would appear even brighter. So you start with your darkest tone. Just put a dot here and blend it out slowly with your brush. So here I make sure to already create this round shape so that it looks really even afterwards. For the next layer I used the lighter tone and it basically works the same. I just put an even smaller dot in the middle and blend it out again. And this with the brightest color, which is the yellowish white. Just put another dot in the middle, and if you want you can blend out the edges a bit, but just a bit, and leave a really clear dot of color in the middle, which you don't blend at all. This way you will have the really bright light in the end. You can do it with other kind of shapes too. For example, I wanted to have this twinkling star. It's really just the same. I started with this thin crossed lines, blending them out and layer the other colors on top just like before. That's how it basically works for every light. You can try other shapes or colors. Stars are not just this bluish glow. They're also yellow, purple, reddish, basically any kind of stars. So just try out, it will make your painting look really realistic. If you don't paint in oils, you can also use this technique for acrylics. It's harder to blend since acrylics dry very fast, but just make sure you layer more shades of the colors on top of each other and you will also reach the smooth transitions. So I started adding those light dots all over the painting. I'm not gonna lie, if you do it like this, it's gonna take a while, but it's worth it, so stick to it. Here's what I did with it. This is my finished painting, Breaking Free. I hope this helps you to create breathtaking glowing art. Also, if you liked this video or if there might be something missing here, just tell me in the comments below. I would be really grateful for it since I'm really new to this and I know I have a lot to improve to create better content for you. So just tell me and hopefully see you soon. Thanks for watching!